Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is Muhammad Hamid, the teacher of English at Shabab Al-Fahd International School. Today we are going to deal with Social Level 4, Unit 1, Lesson 2, Part 2. First, let's revise our previous homework. Okay. Choose customs, we said, are habits practiced by animal, people, women. 2. Shaking hands are habits in the West, East, North. Okay. Number 1. Customs are habits practiced by, of course, people. Yes. Shaking hands are habits in the, of course, West. You can carry dash while visiting others. You can carry sweets, of course. Okay, that's good. Now let us continue our lesson about customs and traditions. Okay. Look at these three pictures and three captions about the pictures. What are customs? Okay. It is customary for Berbers. Do you know what the Berbers? The Berbers are famous tribes in the far northwest Africa that those countries which are called Al-Maghrib Al-Arabi, Al-Berber, Qabail Al-Berber. Okay. In Algeria, to kiss one's hand and fingers tips when introduced for the first time. It is a sign of respect. When you were introduced at the first time, especially for between children and elderly people, it is custom to kiss the hands and fingertips. Okay. And it is a sign of respect. When you do this, that means you are respecting that person. Okay, that's very good. In Oman, dates and sweet called halwa are served to guests together with strong and bitter coffee. This is a tradition in Oman. Of course, it is a tradition in most of the Arabian Peninsula's countries, especially the GCC countries, Majlis al-Ta'awun al-Khaliji. But it differs in this halwa because this halwa is famous in Oman and Yemen. So they bring you dates, coffee, and halwa. There is no picture of halwa here. Okay. And the third caption is in India, women wear red dots. Look at this red dot here in this picture. This is a red dot to show that they are married. Others wear rings in their noses. So they can wear rings here in the noses. But this dot, this red dot, means that this woman is married. So the red dot is a sign of marriage in India. Okay, that's very good. Now let us review the lesson. These are the questions. Answer the following questions. What are customs? We said customs are habits practiced by people. How are they different from traditions? Yeah, habits can be changed. Customs can not. Okay. What is an example of a custom? For example, kissing hand. Kissing hand is a custom. What is taboo? It is an unexpected behavior. It may be forbidden in religions. It may be something like that. Okay. Exercise 2. Write true or false. In Oman, women wear a red dot on their foreheads. Is it true or false? This is not in Oman. This is in India. So this is a false statement. In Algeria, kissing one's hand is a sign of respect. Yes, that's true. And we said the Berbers do this. Okay. In Arab countries, people present flowers to the ill. Yeah, they said you can present flower or you can present sweets. Okay. Now, as a conclusion, we have summary here. Summary of the lesson, of this part of the lesson, part 2. Okay. It is a sign of respect to kiss hands in Algeria. In Oman, halwa is served for guests. In India, red dots are in the forehead is a sign of marriage. Okay, this is a conclusion or a summary of the lesson. Okay, now let us see our homework for today. Put T or F. T for true statements or statement, and F for false statements or statement. Okay, number 1. In Oman, women wear red dots. Is it true or false? Kissing is sign of respect in Algeria. Is it true or false? Halwa is presented for guests in India. Is it true or false? Please complete this homework and send it to my WhatsApp number. And don't forget to go to the YouTube channel and listen to this explanation. Okay, this is enough for today. Until we meet again, thank you and goodbye.